Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about eating different kinds of fruits and their benefits. So as you can see here, I have this pink dragon fruit which I just cut from the middle and scooping it out with a spoon and just eating it directly. This is the nicest way to eat a dragon fruit, mess free and really easy to eat. Next is navel oranges. So you can see the benefits of these fruits on the side. These fruits are so good and they're so tasty. Also, the way to eat them is really easy. Just peel off the skin of this navel orange and it will be easily for you to digest it. So just eat it like that. And they are so juicy and nice. So like a lot of people say that we should be eating one single fruit at a time, but I like to eat different kinds of fruits in one plate. So for my dinner I'm preparing myself fruit platter where I have different kinds of fruits. These are Fuji pink apple. These apples are so crunchy and juicy that what should I tell you, they were really good. I also like eating guava. So this is a guava which I just cut open from the middle. You can eat it with the seeds. I don't like the seeds, so I try to remove them as much as possible. I'm just using my fingers to remove the seed, and this way I'll get out all the seeds from it and just left with the fruit part. So it is very easy to take out the seed part. These are long guava. This is plum. Just eat it without cutting it. So juicy and nice. So my fruit platter is ready. I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.